Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line of Bitcoin is again bounced by the support of the down channel and the maximum oscillators are oversold. Are we really bottomed out? Let's take a look. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's move to the chart, and this is the daily live time frame, and here we can see that Bitcoin is again moving in one of the longest down channel in its history, and it was entered the channel here on 6th of November. So far it is moving still inside this channel. We are testing the support more than the resistance, and most of the times it is dragging us at the support. The more we will test the support, the more there will be chances for the breakdown. And we can also see that while moving inside this channel, it is also finding some price level supports as well. Like here, it found the support approximately at $54,000, broke it down, then found another support here at approximately $46,000, broke it down. Then we reached here and found a support at approximately $40,000, broke it down, and now the price line has found a support at $35,000. And even though we had a long spike beyond $35,000 and we recovered back, right now we are moving above $35,000 support level. And by the way, the RSI has entered the oversold zone. And before this, RSI entered the oversold zone here. We reached the resistance, but we rejected. And here as well, and we reached the resistance, we rejected. Therefore, there is another possibility that the price line will again reach the resistance that will be approximately at $39,600. And if we will have another rejection, then we may test the support of $35,000, or maybe we will test the support of the channel that will be approximately at $33,000 once again. And let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Before that, I would like to show you the moving averages. First of all, let me show you this EM at 21. We can see exactly it is moving at the resistance of this down channel. So in case of breakout, the price line will need to break out the resistance of the channel and the EM at 21 as well. And if we take a look at the different simple moving averages, then we are below all simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200. And we also under a death cross as well. Therefore, in order to start an uptrend on the daily time frame, we need to break out this resistance of the channel. That will be the first key. And we also need to break out this death cross, the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. If I copy this trend line from here and paste it here on this chart, then we can see that we have the 50 simple moving average moving to the downside. Maybe it will be moved at exactly at the resistance level, like we are having this 25 simple moving average, this blue line moving exactly at the point where we have the resistance of the down channel. Now let's move to the weekly time frame chart. As in my last video I was telling you that we have the RSI oscillator entered below 40 value. We can see that whenever it is entering or moving down below 40 value, then there is a chances for the price reversal. We have seen it here in 2012, in 2015, 2020, and right now it is happening. Right now the RSI is moving. The value of the RSI is 37.38. Yesterday we had the value 36. Now it is moved up. And we also have this stochastic in oversold zone as well. This time we also have the support of the 100 weekly simple moving average that is also moving to the upside to provide the support to the price line. And if we take a look at the price line, then this time price line is forming higher low than previous low, and so far the RSI has formed lower than previous low, and even the stochastic is showing on this weekly time frame lower than previous low. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart as well. So it is possible that we will have a relief rally and the price line reaches here at least at this resistance. But the real uptrend will be started once we will be able to break out first this resistance of the down channel, and we will also break out the 250 simple moving averages to break out this death cross on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.